Kamusta? It's me, Veganda, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my channel is all about makeup and products that are both vegan and cruelty-free. For today, I am doing a quick makeup tutorial on how to contour the nose. I have a small nose and I usually like it to be thinner looking and would have more dimensions to it, right? So if you're interested to see on how I contour my nose, just keep on watching. Time for the fun part. Let's contour the nose. Just always remember that wherever you put the contour product, whether it's cream or powder, it's the part that you want pushed back or contoured, right? And the part where you highlight or put a product that brightens that part out, that is what you want to be accentuated or brought forward, okay? For today, we will be using the Jawbreaker palette in the shade Tasty to contour the nose. And I will be using my Echo Tool brush. Okay, right, this, okay, I don't know if it focused well. Okay, this brush right here, okay? Okay, so let's take a bit of the Tasty shade. I usually dust it off. And then what I do is I usually start about on this part. Right? And then here. Okay. And then kind of goes down right there. Okay. Right. I know it's a bit odd looking right now, but later on it'll kind of make sense. So what you do is, if you want your nose thinner, so what I just did is I followed the natural shade or shadow of my nose. But if you want it thinner looking, what you do is you put it a bit closer, kind of near the bridge area, right? So I usually connect that to my eyebrows, right? And then I just pulled all the products down. And if you want, if the line is too harsh for you, you could use your finger to kind of smudge it out. Okay. And then right here at the bottom part of my nose, I usually do that V or triangle shape looking, right? Like a cat. So I took a bit more of the Tasty shade and then kind of do that. Okay. Alright. So it has that kind of cat looking nose shape. Okay. And then what I do now is I don't take any more products, and then whatever is left on my brush, I just kind of drag it and blend everything out. I still put a little bit here near like at the part of the nostril area. Okay. And then the key to this again is blend, blend, blend. Okay. Right there. Right? And then again, if you think it's too harsh for you, just blend it out. Okay. Oops. I have a bit of a product here. So I just have to remove that part out. Okay. So I just blend it. I took my finger caught the licorice shade. So that was that red part that you saw earlier. Oopsie. Okay. Okay. So that is that. Now to put some of the finishing touches, I will be right back for the highlighter. My makeup is now complete and I'm loving how I contoured my nose. So like here at the camera, if I look a bit to the side, you could see now that there is a shadow on this part right here. So it gives a more kind of defined shape of my nose, like here at this side as well, right? So it has more dimensions. So yeah, I love it. Before I go, if you want to see more videos about makeup and products that are both vegan and cruelty-free, and to really know that there is a better way when it comes to beauty without harming any animals, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you would be notified of my future videos. Alright? So just always remember that beauty should always be inside and out. Till next time, paalam!